So we go to the next category. So it's section number 5, localized ailment. Miktsas choli. Miktsas choli describes the condition of a person who is not bedridden but suffers from ailment or injury confined to localized area, which is painful and cause definite discomfort, maybe like a broken arm or something. Right? For example, okay, so a different example: average headache. So not migraine that he or she must lay down. Average headache or heartburn. Okay, so of course it's a major discomfort, but a person does not need to lay down. A Jew is forbidden to violate any biblical or rabbinic prohibition for the benefit of one who suffers from miktsas choli. So that's right. So okay, so we cannot do anything for that person, right? However, it is permitted to ask non-Jew to perform an act which involve only rabbinic transgression. So for the previous categories, we allow to ask non-Jew to do melachas that would involve rabbinical or biblical transgression. Here in this, again, in previous case, the person was bedridden. Okay, here is not bedridden; it's a local ailment, right? So you can ask. You can ask what? One second. Prohibition for the benefit of one suffering. Okay. So right. So here you can ask non-Jew to transgress only rabbinic transgressions. Okay. For example, one may ask non-Jew to apply external medicine. For example, eardrops. Even according to the authorities who forbid the Jew to do so himself. Eardrop. So of course it's medicine. Similarly, he may ask a non-Jew to dab a cream on a burn. So to dab and smear, two different things. To dab is like this. To smear, it's to press with something. He is, however, not permitted to ask a non-Jew. Okay, he was to smear the cream. So smear, it's already biblical, right? That's one when we learn about how they would do like hides, right? Smear the cream with the dense consistency on a burn, because smearing the type of this cream violates the biblical prohibition. It's chapter 26. So the dense, how we describe dense, when you put the finger in that in the jar and the whole stands, that says that very dense. Okay. Next one. So again, localized ailment, right? Does not need to take to bed, but feels discomfort, feels some pain, right? We cannot do anything. We cannot transgress even rabbinic for that person, but a non-Jew is allowed to transgress rabbinic for that person. Okay, so that goes like this eardrops and what and smear cream. Okay. So next one, this was the 6 categories in minor ailments. So I mean, okay. Mechoish be'elmo. Okay, so mechoish be'elmo describes the condition of a person who is suffering from minor ailment or injury which causes little or no pain. For example, slight heartburn or minor sore throat. Okay, with minor sore throat you can live a long time, right? It is forbidden to transgress any biblical or rabbinic prohibition, or to ask non-Jew to perform a prohibited act for the benefit of the person who is mechush be'alma. Mechush be'alma. Okay. So So again, the example is little or no pain, slight heartburn, minor sore throat. Okay.